Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Kumar and welcome to my channel. We are going to start new video on self-scripting tutorial. So, as you already know, I have started self-script tutorial and we have already done the Linux installation. This all the video you can watch here, and then last class we have learned about the top 30 Linux command. Without moving to the self-scripting, we should know what and all basic Linux command is. So we have already done with that. So today in this video, we are going to learn about the variable and the basic of the VI editor. Anyway, we are not going to use VI editor in the follow classes because we are going to use VS Code. That is very easy to edit the code and all, uh, but you should know how to work with VI also. So in the beginning, 2-3 classes we will do coding in VI editor, and we'll move to VS Code. Okay. So without wasting time, we will go to our Ubuntu and we'll start with the variable. So let's clear the terminal, and I'm going to start. I'm going to start this today variable, how to assign the variable, how to display the variable, and how to reassign that, how to concatenate two variable, all those things. So we create one file here. We can say variable dot sh. This is not mandatory to write the extension with sh, but people should understand like what you are writing here. So that's what, for the readability purpose, we are going to write dot sh. Okay, and okay, so VI editor, this is the basic editor that you will get with your Linux, and Ubuntu or Vim is there, Nano is there, but this is good. So let me start with that. If you want to insert that, if you want to write something here, you have to go to the insert mode by pressing the I command, I button, and up. Then you can write here whatever you want to write here. Okay, start writing. Write some. Now, let's suppose that I made some mistake in the line number 10. We don't know the line number where it is. So we can append this line with the line number. Means we can prefix with the line number. How you can do that? Press the escape button first and then colon and write set number. Okay, so we will set the number. Now I can clearly say that where I have done the mistake in the writing the code. Let's suppose that at line number 7 we have done the mistake. So how to go to line number 7? Just you are in the escape mode only, not insert mode. Colon and put 8 or 7, the line number. Okay, so your cursor will be here. Now if you want to delete this, put delete button. Okay, now if you want to delete entire line, you can just press double D. It got deleted. If you deleted by mistake and want to undo the change, put Y. Press Y. Sorry, not Y. This is U. Okay, this is a U button. You have to press. So that's how you can edit it in the VI editor. But this is the basic things that you should know. Gradually, we will move to the VS Code. That there you will not have to. That will be very easy, just like the Notepad++. Okay. So that's what I want to say. I want to delete all the line. So just I'm pressing delete. It will go. It will delete it. That's all. Now I will write the code here. So escape. Go in the insert mode. This is your insert mode now. So shebang we have learned. So we have to write this first line as exclamation and then slash. Okay. And we can declare the variable here. Let me declare the variable called play or anything word, and the word is play. And let me print that one. Echo dollar W for this word. Save and come out. Save colon WQ. You want to run that one? Run it using variable dot slash variable dot sh. To say we don't have permission, so at chmod 155 variable, and now you can run. You can see we are getting the play word here. Okay, because what was the content inside the word? We are saved inserted play. So echo play. So before writing this whole statement in script, I just want to write all the things into command line here. And command, once you'll write all the command, while testing also your code, you can test your code line by line using this command. Let's suppose that I want to do this thing. So don't write in the beginning first time in your file. So first write here word. This is for testing purpose. Let's suppose that you have done some mistake there. One more line mistake you have done. So it's very tough to finding out debugging that one. So you can do here. So word we don't have to write this space character here. So word is play. Now I want to display. I've just declared the variable called word, and I have inserted. I have assigned play in that variable. Okay. I want to call that variable now. So you can write word here. So play is there. Okay. That's what we are doing inside this. And if 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 you don't want the double code also, that's also fine. If you want double code, that's also fine. If you put by mistake single code, let's see what happens. See? So you understand what is the meaning of double quote and putting double quote and putting single quote here. Let me put double quote here. So if you put double quote, so it will call the variable. It will treat this as a variable, and inside whatever the content is there, it will display. But if you put inside the single quote, it will print whatever the word inside is as this. Means whatever you will write, it will display. Okay. And there is one more method. You can put this one inside curly bracket, and also you can do see play. Okay. Whatever to say is okay. This one is obviously not correct way to write, because it will print curly bracket also. But if you want to use, you can use either this one or either this one. So inside, why this is required, putting this parenthesis is because sometime, let's suppose that you want to concatenate two things. Let me give you the example. Echo. I want to concatenate this play with ed. Okay. So I will write play, and if you write here played well, played like this. Okay. So it will give nothing. Why? Because we have not declared any variable named word ed. Okay. There is no variable defined here. So it will give nothing. But if you write like this, okay. So what does it mean? It will it will display the variable here, play, and it will put ed at the end. Not like that. I have to declare this one here. Okay. Okay. See. So that's what the meaning of parenthesis here. So whenever this is the best practice to write the variable, because you are just writing your variable in your one box, and whatever you are writing after that, it will not treat as a variable. So doing mistake in the cell scripting will be very less uh, if you are writing your variable inside the bracket, inside the parenthesis. So what I will tell you, always write your variable, you define the variable and write inside the parenthesis. So that's what for this video, and hope you understand how to declare the variable and how to display the variable, means how to call the variable and how to use that variable in your shell command. So whatever you have learned here, I'm going to create one shell scripting, the same things, variable, and we will write all those things, and we will run it together. Okay, so this is just for testing purpose. So let me write it variable. Okay. So this is for double quote, means it will take all. Now echo, write echo single quote. You know what it will be. Okay. Then echo double quote. I will write dollar and curly bracket. Play. So I will play cricket. So I will, and here we will write and okay. Then echo. Suppose that Sachin played very well, like that I want to print. So Sachin played, with play already we have, so we can write play as a variable. We can call it write variable and ed. We're concatenating that, combining those two things. Played. One mistake here. This one you don't have to write. That's all. We understand how to declare a variable and how to call the variable. Okay, there are only two things. If you use double single quote, it will not treat it as a variable. It will print whatever here. And if you inside double quote, that is fine. It will work. And if you want to combining these two things, combining with something, so you have to write with inside curly bracket. Okay, that's all. Let me there is some problem here. They're saying play word line number 13 expected end of line looking for match double quote line number 13 and line number 16. I have done mistake, so I will go here 13. So let me set number line number 13. 13 is here. So WORD. Here I have missed double quote. In the line list, this is fine, and okay, let me run it again. We'll get error. We again will see. There's no error. That's what I have shown you. It will give you the error which number line number it will come in, then you can set number you can do and go to the line number and correct the error. So cat variable, you can just verify play. So this will print here variable. Okay, this is echo play because inside word play is there. This will be give as it is, and this one play, both are same. This one, and then echo. I will play cricket. Sachin play very well. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.